Hello guys, so welcome to KO Tutorials. So let's continue the next part of this tutorial. So let's get started. So we'll be finalizing the modeling part of this particular interior over here. That's your storeroom over here. So let's get started. So now we have few things left, like modeling this chair. How we can model this chair? Let's go into this view over here. There are many ways to model this chair. So if you look at it, this is totally a one part. So let's go to this view over here. Let's take a line tool. Alright, I'll slightly just push it out. Select the vertices. Let's give a fillet over here. So slightly just give a fillet. So I'll give a fillet over here also. So now again I'll go over here. I'll go into this view over here, and I'll again take a line tool. I'll just place it in this way. Slightly just shuffle it over here. Select this and attach it. Select the vertices, fuse vertices, weld vertices, and let's give a bit of fillet to it. So I can slightly assign a fillet, add a refine, make it smoother. That's it. And again I'll go over here, enabling viewport. So activate this enabling viewport over here, and let's mirror it in y-axis. Make a copy of it in this way. So once you're done, I can again select this. Let's just attach it. Fuse vertices, weld vertices. You can make it smooth over here in this way. Again I can go over here and I can slightly increase its thickness. So let's again go to the side view. Let's take a line. I'll off this. Select the vertices. Give a bit of fillet over here. Enabling viewport. So make it as, oops, okay, it's over here. So select this, slightly push it over here. So make it rectangular, reduce its width, increase its length, can increase its length more if required, and let's just place it over here. So convert to editable poly. So select this edges. Let's give some connect over here. Give some connect. Okay. So let's first add the connects over here. And now I can add some connect over here. Okay, we can definitely scale it later on. That's not a problem. I can just push it inside also. Save your file once. And I have a modifier called Lattice. So let's add a Lattice modifier. I'll go into this. I'll reduce its radius. I'll slightly add a net section, kind of. Now again go over here. Again take a line. Alright. So I'll just go over here and I'll close the shape. Or else you can just put a refine over here. So let's give an extrude modifier over here. So we can definitely assign a texture over here later on. So I'll just slightly rotate it and I'll make it as 0.3. I'll slightly just push it over here. So I'll scale it. So I can definitely use this pillows over here. Okay, need to resize it. It's looking very big. So let's just Slightly we can scale it, not much but a bit. Save your file once, and I'll just copy paste this pillow over here. So we are not making the pillows again. So this is going to be onto the top part over here. Slightly rotate it. Again duplicate that. Slightly scale it. Slightly I'll just push this up. Alright. So save your file. So now we'll start up with the texturing part. So for that, let's go into rendering, render setup, and very first of all I'll just activate this Vray over here. I'll go into this, I'll keep it as HD over here, force two sided. So let's select the plane, that's your base, your floor. Okay, we have a carpet also. So let's again go into this. I'll take a chamfer box and I'll model this carpet part and reduce this fillet, reduce this height. That's it. Okay. So let's again go into the material editor. So we are using a slate material editor. Let's go into the Vray. Let's take a Vray material and let's name it as floor over here. I'll assign a bitmap. So let's go into this. Again go into this. Alright, so I'll just assign this floor over here if required. I have given a bit of reflection also if required. So I'll go into the rendering, go into the environment. I'll just give a white color, rendering, render setup. Go into the render setup and I'll just activate this GI environment. Okay. You'll definitely see some reflections over here. So select this. Again take a Vray material bitmap. So we have a carpet texture. Let's just assign this. So if you want I can change the texture also. And let's give a UVW map. Set it as a box. We are already assigning the same textures for the carpet. So this time we are going to take some different texture. And in the carpet, I'll again go into this and I'll name it as carpet. Also, I'll add a bit of noise into it. That's your bump map. So we are going to add a bit of bump map. So I'll just go into this and I'll just add a noise, and I'll connect this noise. Okay, very first of all, I'll slightly push this over here. So let's connect this noise with a bump map. I'll go into this noise. I'll make it as regular and make it as 0.1. So I'll reduce the noise over here. Okay. So select the walls. So definitely we have a color for a wall. That's a white color. We'll definitely assign a white color for the wall. So again, I'll go into this. Let's take a Vray material. Let's name it as wall over here. If you want a texture, you can assign a texture also for the wall, or I'll just give a bit of yellowish tone. Slightly. Okay, looks better. So guys, if any doubts, please put it in the comment section over here. So please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. So we'll continue the rest of the part in the coming tutorial. As you can see, we have completed the modeling part over here. So we'll continue the rest of the part in the next tutorial. So thanks for watching this tutorial.